Hi students, today we can study exercise 3.3. Then in previous class we already took the introduction of exercise 3.3. Now we can take exercise 3.3, all the problems. First, question number 1. What is question number 1? Find the transpose of each of the following. In here, 3 questions is there. Roman number 1, 2 and 3. Then, solution. First we can do Roman number 1. Then, first give one name. A equal to matrix 5, 1 by 2, minus 1. Then, A transpose. A transpose we will represent A dash, otherwise A T. Then what is transpose? In here column we will make as row, otherwise row we will make as column. There is only one column. This first column we can write as first row 5 1 by 2 minus 1. This is our answer. Then A dash we can write matrix 5 1 by 2 minus 1. Column we made as row. Only this much. Then Roman number 2. Roman number 2 also first give one name. I am giving B. Any English alphabet you can give as name. 1, minus 1, 2, 3. Then B transpose equal to this first row. Make it first column. 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1. Just make it first column. Then second row is 2, 3. 2, 3 make second column. Second row we will make as second row, second column. That is our answer. Then Roman number 3. Give name C. Minus 1, 5, 6. Root 3, 5, 6. 2, 3, minus 1. C transpose equal to first row make it first column 1 5 6 we can write 1 5 6. Second row make it second column root 3 5 6. Then third row is make it third column. This is our answer. Transpose is nothing, row make it as column. Just interchange rows and columns. That time we will get transpose. Now we can see question number 2. What is question? If A1 matrix, B also matrix. 2 matrices given in here, verify that Roman number 1 is A plus B transpose equal to A transpose plus B transpose. This is property of transpose. Already was studied in last class. This is first property of, not first or third property of transpose. Then we have to prove. Then first take LHS. LHS equal to A plus B all transpose. A, what is A? A means matrix minus 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, minus 2, 1, 1 plus matrix B is minus 4, 1 minus 5, 1, 2, 0, 1, 3, 1. Then take it transpose. Then we can add matrix minus 1 plus minus 4. That is minus 1 minus 4 is minus 5. 2 plus 1 is 3. Then 3 plus minus 5. That means 3 minus 5. 3 minus 5 is minus 2. 5 plus 1, 6. And then 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 0 is that also 9. Then minus 2 plus 1. That is minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. 1 plus 3, 4. Then 1 plus 1, 2. Just add corresponding elements and take transpose. Equal to, when you take transpose, interchange rows and columns. First row make it as first column minus 5, 3, minus 2. Then second row becomes second column. Then third row becomes third column. This is our LHS side answer. Now we have to do RHS also. This LHS we can keep in here for checking. Now RHS equal to A transpose plus B transpose. That is our RHS. Then A means minus 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, minus 2, 1, 1. Then take it transpose equal to plus B transpose. B transpose means minus 4, that is B, 1, minus 5, 1, 2, 0, 1, 3, 1. This is our LHS. Equal to, first take transpose of this matrix, minus 1, 2, 3, make it as column, first column, 5, 7, 9, 5, 7, 9, then minus 2, 1, 1, minus 2, 1, 1. I took transpose of this matrix, then transpose of second matrix, that is minus 4, 1, minus 5. First row, make it first column, second row is become second column, then 1, 3, 1. Equal to, this one we can add minus 1 plus minus 4, that is minus 1 minus 4 is minus 5, 5 plus 1, 6, minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1, 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1 is 3, 7 plus 2, that is 9, 1 plus 3, 4. Then 3 plus minus, that is minus, 3 minus 5 is minus 2, 9 plus 0 is 9, 1 plus 1, 2. This is our RHS. Check it now, RHS and LHS answer. In here minus 5, 6, minus 1, then 3, 9, 4, 3, 9, 4, minus 2, 9, 2, minus 2, 9, 2. That means LHS and RHS equal. We can write LHS equal to RHS. Verified. Then Roman number 2 also is there. Roman number 2 is A minus B all transpose equal to A transpose minus B transpose. This is Roman number 2. I think you can do same like Roman. Now we can see question number 3. If A transpose equal to matrix 3, 4, minus 1, 2, 0, 1. A transpose only they are given, not A. Then and P equal to matrix minus 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. Then verify that Roman number 1, A plus B all transpose equal to A transpose plus B transpose. First we can write A. Because in here A we required, isn't it? That's why we have to write A. In this question, A transpose only given. First write A. A equal to, from here, first column make it first row. Okay. Otherwise, first row make it first column. Interchange columns and rows. Then we can write first column 3 minus 1 0. This is first column, isn't it? Then second column make it as second row 4 2 1. Now we got A. Now LHS, take LHS equal to A plus B all transpose equal to matrix A. Matrix A is 3 minus 1 0 4 2 1 plus matrix B. We already given in question minus 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. All transpose. Then we can add 1 plus minus 1. That is 1 minus 1. That is 2. Minus 1 plus 2. Minus 1 plus 2. That is 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. 0 plus 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. 4 plus 1, 5. 2 plus 2, 4. 1 plus 3, 4. Then all transpose. Equal to, change this one. When you take transpose of this matrix, first row become first column. 2, 1, 1. 2, 1, 1. Then 5, 4, 4. 5, 4, 4. This is our LHS answer. Now we can see RHS. RHS equal to A transpose plus B transpose. Matrix A transpose already given in question directly, isn't it? That value we can use 3, 4, minus 1, 2, 0, 1. This is A transpose. No need to again take A transpose because given in question plus B transpose. B transpose not given in question, isn't it? Only B only given. We can write that B minus 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, then transpose. 3, 4, minus 1, 2, 0, 1, plus, take transpose of this matrix, that will be minus 1, 2, 1. First row become first column, then second row become second column. 1, 2, 3. Equal to 3 plus minus 1, that is 3 minus 1 is 2. 4 plus 1, 5. Minus 1 plus 2 is 1. Isn't it? 2 minus 1. 2 plus 2, 4. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 3, 4. Just add corresponding elements. Now check it. RHS answer and LHS answer 2, 5, 2, 5, 1, 4, 1, 4, 1, 4, 1, 4. Same, isn't it? Yeah, right? LHS equal to RHS. Hence, verified. Hence, verified. That is our answer. In this question, Roman number 2 also is there. That one also you can do. Same like Roman number 1. I think everything understand. Now we can see question number 4. If A transpose equal to matrix minus 2, 3, 1, 2 and B equal to matrix minus 1, 0, 1, 2, then find A plus 2B all transpose. Look in here, A plus 2B. A we need, B also we need. A not given. A transpose only given, isn't it? First we have to find out A. Now, A equal to, from here we can write, that is, first column make it first row, then 1, 2. First row make it first column, second row make it second column. That is A. Then B already given, no need to write. A plus 2B all transpose equal to, again, we can do this problem. A plus 2B. A means matrix minus 2, 1, 3, 2 plus 2 into B. B is 1. Minus 1, 0, 1, 2. All transpose. Then minus 2, 1, 3, 2. Write first matrix, same. Plus, using by 2, multiple all the elements. That is, 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. Isn't it? Then 2 into 0, 0, 2 into 1, 2, 2 into 2, 4. All transpose equal to matrix minus 2 plus minus 2. That is minus 2 minus 2. Minus 2 minus 2 is minus 4. 1 plus 0 is 1. 3 plus 2, 5. 2 plus 4, 6. Then one transpose is there. We can take that equal to 4, 1. That is first row, make it first column. Then second row is 5, 6. Make it as second column. That is our answer. Matrix minus 4, 5, 1, 6. Question number 5. For the matrices A and B, two matrices given in Roman number 1, then verify that AB all transpose equal to B transpose A transpose. So then, first we can take LHS equal to AB all transpose. AB all transpose equal to A. A we can write, already given in question. A is 1 minus 4, 3 into B. B is minus 1, 2. Then all transpose. Multiple first row, first column. 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. Okay. Again, first row, second column. 1 into 2, 2. Then first row, third column. 1 into 1, 1. That is our first row. Then using by second row, first column. Minus 4 into minus 1, 4. Minus 4 into 2, minus 8. Minus 4 into 1, minus 4. Then using by third row, first column. 3 into minus 1, minus 3. 3 into 2, 6. 3 into 1, 3. All transpose. This transpose you have to take. Matrix. First row make it as first column. That is minus 1, 2, 1. Right in here. Then second row make it as second column. 4 minus 8 minus 4. Then minus 3, third row. 6, 3. This is our LHS answer. Now we can see RHS. RHS equal to B transpose A transpose. What is B? B is minus 1, 2, 1 transpose. This transpose. Then A transpose. Right? A is 1 minus 4, 3. Equal to, take it transpose. Minus 1, 2, 1 into this one also. Take it transpose. Then multiple. 1 into 1, minus 1 into 1 is minus 1. Again, first row, second column. Minus 1 into minus 4 is 4. Minus 1 into 3, minus 3. Like that, same like that. Using by second row also, multiple 1 by 1. 2 into 1, 2. 2 into minus 4, minus 8. 2 into 3, 6. Using by third row, that is 1 into 1, 1. 1 into minus 4, minus 4. 1 into 3, 3. This is our RHS answer. Check it now. LHS and RHS. LHS answer is minus 1, 4, minus 3, 2, minus 8, 6, 1, minus 4, 3. Both answers equal, isn't it? That's why we can write LHS equal to RHS. Hence, verified. Now we can see question number 6. If Roman number 1, A equal to matrix cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha, then verify that A transpose into A equal to I. I means identity matrix. In here we will use 2 by 2 identity matrix because A also 2 rows, 2 columns. A is 2 by 2 matrix. That's why this matrix identity matrix only will get. Identity matrix means 2 by 2. I mean. Okay. You can see first take LHS. LHS equal to A transpose into A matrix cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. Transpose this transpose. Then again write A. A means cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. Take it transpose. Then first column make it first row make it as first column. Cos alpha, this cos alpha, this sin alpha we can write in here. First row, isn't it? In here first row. In second matrix that will be first column. Then this one minus sin alpha cos alpha. Now we got A transpose. When you take transpose, we will get this matrix into cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. Same. Multiple. Cos alpha into cos alpha. Cos into cos. Cos square alpha. Then this one. Minus into minus. We can write plus. Sin alpha into sin alpha. Sin square alpha. Again first row, second column. Cos alpha into sin alpha. Cos alpha into sin alpha. Then minus sin alpha into cos alpha. Second row, first column. Sin alpha into cos alpha. Sin alpha into cos alpha. Then cos alpha into minus sin alpha. That will be minus sin alpha cos alpha. Okay. Second row, second column. Sin into sin. We can write sin square alpha plus cos into cos. Cos square alpha equal to cos square plus sin square. What is that? Sin square plus cos square. Already was studied in lower class, isn't it? Class 10. That will be 1. Then these two terms are equal. Right? Sin alpha cos alpha. Sin alpha cos alpha. Subtract means that will be 0. Then this one also same. That will be 0. Same terms. Then sin square alpha plus cos square alpha is 1. Equal to, what is this? This is identity matrix. We can represent I. Okay, this identity matrix. Then we started from LHS, A transpose into A, we got RHS. Then hence verified. That is our answer.